First, remove the battery cover and check if there is a reset button. If you can find the reset button, use a small stick-like object to insert it and you can hear 3 beeps. Now you have successfully restored this hotel log to factory settings. Second, if you do not find the reset button, you will most likely need to use the mechanical key. Find the mechanical key and open the keyhole cover. Turn it toward unlocking direction until you hear 3 beeps. Please note, this step needs to be repeated 5 times until you hear 5 consecutive beeps. Now you have successfully reset your hotel log. Remove the key and reinstall the keyhole cover. Finally, remember to reprogram your hotel logs.